Hello, traders. Today is Monday, June 30th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So anyways, on the daily time frame, I mean, we really cannot deny that the trend is definitely still very heavily down on basically all the higher roadmap time frames for the dollar. The monthly is definitely still down, the weekly is definitely still down, and the daily is definitely still down. We have a Fibonacci retracement level on the daily time frame that we are very close to. So if we do, maybe get one more little pump down and then a reversal and then engulfing move to the upside, then I definitely would start looking for longs on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves after I see the engulfing move. But we do not have that engulfing move, and the trend is always your friend, especially when, the monthly, weekly, and daily all agree that the trend is down. So, I mean, in my opinion, we really have to continue to look for shorts on the dollar. Now, going down to the shorter time frames, actually, the dollar has been very consolidated for the last couple trading days. And so we possibly could get a little bit of a push up, but as long as it does not break this high rate here, anything I see to the upside, I would definitely be looking at as possibly just a pullback to the downside. I think there's a very good chance we'll at least hit that 50% from the daily time frame. So, like I said, I mean, we really have to continue to look for shorts on the dollar via the dollar pairs, at least until we get some proof otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.